What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video, and we are at Eurofed. Now, why am I at Eurofed if all I have is American cars? Find out. We'll see what's in here and what's getting done. Let's go. All right, so we are at Eurofed. Again, I have an American muscle car, right? Well, a good friend of mine, Mad Scatter, aka Chris Dillon, actually does all of my maintenance work, oil, brakes, minor things. Hell, he's even put an exhaust on, a drive shaft on. He has done everything, whether it's at Eurofed or in his driveway. He has done it all. And Vladdy sent me some goodies. Street Driven Performance. If you don't know what that is, man, hit them up on Instagram at Street Driven Performance or Vladdy Motorsports. They have everything you could think of car related. They just happen to send me some carbon fiber. So let's take a look. So one, I have 2 boxes full of carbon fiber. So we're gonna unpackage this, but when I tell you the quality on this carbon is insane. I'm trying to get to the sun. Look at that. Oh, this is gonna go crazy with the rest of the carbon that's already on the car. This is a carbon package car by the VIN number and by the window sticker, but for some reason the rear diffuser is gloss black. So I don't know if the owner tore it up, scraped it, and changed it, but it's what's gonna replace it to match the rest of the carbon. Now I'm doing new carbon fiber side skirts and carbon mirrors as well, but this video will strictly be how to put on the carbon diffuser. So I'm getting all of the carbon.
That's easy. I'm gonna be a man. Real one.
Y'all should see all the rubber. Insane. But checking out the packaging, everything was packaged very well.
Something fucking jiggling back here. You're fucking controller. You're fucking lame.
Wow. But everything was
We don't know what that is.
wrapped well. All right, so it's not necessarily going to be a how-to, but more like an update video for the V. You can see we have the bumper off. We are slowly getting this back piece off that holds the reflectors, the rear lights, and all the electronics for those aspects. It's a little bit more of a job than what you think, so definitely, if you don't have true mechanical skills to where you think you're going to break something, I would definitely say take this to a shop, aka Chris Dillon or somebody similar. Check out the VFC wheels, carbon fiber ring, match all the carbon fiber that's sitting over there, but give you an update once we get a little bit further in the process. All right, 2 hours later, you can see the fitment is very, very good. The only thing is there's a little bit of a gap there and here, but it's the way it's cut out. But you know, even from this short of a distance, you really can't tell. But now, because of the carbon, I'm gonna black out that piece. We're putting this back on, getting it realigned. It does need a bath. It's been raining the last couple of days, and I drove it to get it retinted. But you can see the carbon looks sick, especially when it's gonna be cleaned up. It is gonna be one crazy car to match all the carbon. So step one down. All right, so got the diffuser, got the OEM side skirts off. You can see a little difference in the carbon itself. Obviously this is 10-year-old carbon, so it's a little bit more faded. It has a little bit more of an orange peel yellowish tint to it than the new carbon. And you can also see it's carbon up to a certain point, then it's plated. This is fully carbon. It will be 3M'd and drilled just like this one. We have one carbon fiber mirror going on again, still at Eurofed. It's gonna be a long night, but this is street car takeover prep, trying to get the car cleaned up. So you can see how good that carbon looks against the black. Now the car is super dirty. I have a detail tomorrow before street car takeover. Haven't washed it since the track, so see what it looks like at the end. If you're watching this video by this point, you can see it's starting to get dark. If you guys know, I go into work very late at night technically very early in the morning. So I'm doing this not only for you guys and obviously myself, because I want my car to look a certain way, but to make sure when you guys see the car at Street Car Takeover, it gives what it needs to do. You guys like how it looks. I'm very particular about my car. It looks pretty bad right now because it's dirty. It's got rubber on it everywhere. We're in the middle of working on it. But me being tired is gonna be well worth it once you guys see it all cleaned up on my Instagram at Toro_704. And of course, I'll stop and get gas and get some good gas station lighting. It'll still be dirty, but you'll get an idea of what it'll look like. Because now this car is fully carbon fibered, almost everything that you can do outside of what I call like the corny carbon fiber. So fully blacked out, all carbon rings, carbon beadlock rings, carbon splitter, carbon mirrors, carbon side skirts, carbon diffuser, carbon steering wheel, carbon on the inside, everything carbon. Can't be mad. And it's real carbon fiber. So it was a little expensive, but shout out to Vladdy for sending me some of the carbon. Can't thank him enough, man. Street driven performance. Getting this thing ready. We're almost there. I'm tired, but let's finish out. The car is all cleaned up. The carbon is on. You can see it looks really, really good in the sun. Carbon rings. It's a little dirty from the drive up, but she looks real good. We just got a spot at the pre-meet for Street Car Takeover. You can see there is plenty of cars. So once the cars fill out, of course, we'll do another video. So make sure you check out the next video after this one. But yeah, there's some insane cars. There's another V over there. We got Mike Bryson, his 426 with his Ken Bell. Bunch of cars. So let's check them out in the next video. But shout out to all the carbon fiber. Made the car look good.